Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix sign out is not available due to restrictions on iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad and you're facing an issue that whenever you try to sign out your Apple ID from your iPhone or iPad, you see a message that your sign out is not available due to restrictions or you're unable to sign out here. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing is that you have to simply go back from here and go for general, and you have to make a software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software updates here. And after that you have to simply go back from here, go for this screen time section, and here just scroll down and look for the option of turn off screen time passcode. So here the option now change screen time passcode, select that, and you'll get the turn off screen time passcode option. Simply tap on that and then enter your screen time passcode or your iPhone passcode, or if you don't know about that passcode, so you can also try to forget option. And after doing that, once you have turned off screen time passcode, your sign out restrictions will be disabled. Or if this still not disabled, so you have to make a force restart your iPhone. Now to do that, you have to quickly press on this volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So once your phone has been restarted, you have to unlock your phone and you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So in this case, your issue will be fixed here. Or if you are still facing the same issue that your sign out option is not enabled here, you can see that my issue has been fixed. But in some cases, if you're still facing the same issue, so you have to open your browser here and you have to look for a website named Apple System Check. So you have to look for this website, which is Apple System Status. Open the first website from here, and you have to tap on this plus or cross option. And here you have to look for Apple Sign Out or Sign In services are available. So you just have to look for that. So here you can see that iCloud account and sign in service is available, or if you find it here disabled or anything else, or it's not green, so it might be a server error, so you are unable to sign out your account up to 1 to 2 hours. So you must have to wait for that. Sometimes it might get 24 hours, so you must have to wait for that. And once it has been greened, so after that you will be able to sign out your account from your Apple ID on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.